Da, 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 da. You interrupt me and I interrupt you. A shame. When did we start?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. I'm so tired, you guys. It's literally like 6 p.m. on a Friday and I'm super tired because I've been creating content all day. I filmed a YouTube video, I filmed like 3 reels for Instagram, I took photos for Instagram as well, and then I also filmed a sponsored ad video for Instagram. Like, I've been on my feet since morning. I'm exhausted, guys. I even had to make lunch as well once I was done. So this is just me relaxing after I have finished doing everything that I ought to do today. But anyways, I thank God for strength and, you know, just the zeal to keep working and keep pushing, because trust me guys, it gets exhausting and tiring, and I wake up every day and I just keep pushing. I don't have a choice, okay? Yeah, really quickly, I thought to mention this to you guys, but I don't know if anybody's experiencing this as well. If you're a YouTuber, let me know. So day before yesterday night, while I was just going through my YouTube analytics, I always do that like at different points of the day, you know. I will just go through my YouTube studio on my phone and check out what my analytics are like, new comments, new following, and all of that. So when I went to bed day before yesterday night, my subscriber count was on 17,900 and something, you know, subscribers. And yeah, by the following morning when I woke up and I checked like around 11 a.m, my subscriber count was like 18,300 and something. And I was just like, what's happening here? How could I have gained 400 subscribers literally in like what, how many hours of sleep? Like, that's ridiculous. Except a video is going viral. I started going through my channel to see if there was any video that was going viral or any video that was suddenly getting so many comments or stuff like that, and I didn't really see that. I checked my analytics, I didn't see any video that was going viral at all, not in terms of comments, not in terms of new kidney. You guys know how it is. But it was just funny because I was just like, I don't understand how everything happened. So I was telling my husband and he was like, are you sure somebody did not give you a shout out somewhere and maybe there was an influx of new subscribers to your channel from, you know, somebody else's channel? It was super weird. And then even before the day ran out, like around 6 p.m. or so, I had hit 18.4k. And then one of you even put a comment in my latest video saying, oh my god, Alma, 18.4k, that's like amazing growth and everything. You know, it was really crazy. And then around 10 p.m. while I was editing a video and I tried to upload a video on YouTube, I logged into my, you know, channel dashboard and I had seen that the subscriber count was now dropping. Like, it was on 18.4k, and before I knew it, 18.3k, then 18.2k. I'm like, what's going on here? You know, I said to myself like, yeah, because obviously it was a YouTube glitch, and you know, they were not taking away those subscribers that were not real, or I don't know what it was about, but in my head I was like, it has to be a glitch, like for the same sub count to be going down drastically, you know. And then it now got to 18.205 and then now stopped going down, and in my head I'm just like, what's going on? And I also noticed that my latest videos are not reaching the usual number of people that they used to reach, either because YouTube is not notifying people that my videos have gone up or something. So let me know in the comments if you are subscribed to my channel and you turn on your notification bell. Let me know if you still get notified whenever I drop a new video, at least my last 3-4 videos. Let me know in the comments if you still get notified. And then also let me know if you're also a YouTuber and you've had this glitch thing happen to your channel as well, sudden increase in followers and then sudden decrease. Let me know as well. We've hit 18k. I'm so excited about that, and it's looking more and more possible for my 20k goal to come true. So I'm excited about that. Anyways, my day is over. I'm gonna go take off my makeup now and just relax, Netflix and chill, and then later on I will edit some of the videos I filmed today. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, hope you guys are doing Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. So today is Saturday and I'm just about to head out. A family friend of ours is doing, rather yesterday was the 10-year memorial service for her husband, but today she invited my mom and dad to lunch, and I'm sure I meet other people, so my mom asked me to tag along with them today, and that's where I'm heading. Right now I'm wearing this lovely dress that I love so much from Shein. Guys, look at how pretty this dress is. I think I'll take a picture of this dress for Instagram. Most likely I will do that. Yeah, anyway, let me go. I'm already late. I'm supposed to go to my parents' house and then we all go together. So that's the plan. Let's go, guys. Hi. Oh, mommy, what? Something is in your room. What? Perfume, wristwatch. What, mommy? Mimi, you ready? Behind the wheel. I'm sorry.
The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us.
How was that?
Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful?
Oh, beautiful. Hallelujah chorus.
Yeah. Any day. Come on. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah.
I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling.
'cause you love to have him all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give him this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like con money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fun.
Much later.
Hi guys, so today is Sunday. I'm using my big camera to film because I'm charging my vlogging camera battery. But yeah, so today is Sunday and I'm heading out in a bit. One of my family friends is turning 50 today, and he invited us for, well, he sent me a WhatsApp message. I'm sure my parents are already there, but he sent me a WhatsApp message. So he's turning 50 today, and he's having, today was like Thanksgiving mass, but I didn't wake up early enough, guys, to attend the mass. So I'm going for the lunch. There'll be a lunch at a restaurant somewhere in town. So I'm just trying to get ready and go. I'm wearing this maxi dress. This is the Alma maxi from wura.ng. Very pretty with a lot of leg. If I want my leg to show, there's a leg showing. Yeah, it's not my fault though, guys, that everybody I know is doing one thing or the other these days. Every single day there's somewhere to go to. It's not my fault, and it's content for you guys as well. All right, so yeah, let me just quickly get ready. It's for 1 p.m. This is 12:30, so I'm just trying to do really quick makeup and then move. All right,
Baby, don't be shy. I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, no get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time.
fine woman. Oh, get it.
So this is Mama's 50th birthday. Where is this place?
Barracuda something.
Barracuda restaurant.
Says yeah. Hi, Dad. Hi, yeah. Okay.
Pick it up, boy, you tryna find the pieces when you rip it off. Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off. And you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time.
Expect more. Expect more. Ooh, expect more. Come on.
I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
Guys, I just got back from the birthday lunch. It was actually a pre-birthday lunch. The actual birthday is 2 days away, which I probably will still attend, but you guys will see it in the next vlog. So let me just end this vlog really quickly. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. If you enjoyed watching, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye.
Why you wanna run away?